Welcome to everyone from Circuit Academy Lab. Today in this tutorial we will learn how to make an auto manual control of three-phase water pump motor. Using double float switch, power and control wiring. Integrating a float switch and a dole, direct online, starter can achieve both automatic and manual control of three-phase water pump motors. This video will explore the technical aspects of automated and manual control of a three-phase water pump motor using a double float switch. First need to know what is dole starter. A direct online, dole, starter is a type of motor starter used to start and stop three-phase induction motors in industrial and commercial applications. It's a simple and cost-effective method of starting motors by connecting them directly to the power supply without any intermediate control devices. The dole starter provides a direct path for the electrical power to flow to the motor's windings, allowing the motor to start running at full voltage and full speed. Components needed. Three-phase water pump motor. MCB or MCCB, 400 volt, 3-pole circuit breaker. MCB 240 volt single pole circuit breaker. Magnetic contactor. Thermal overload relay. Auto manual selector switch. 2 pieces float switch. NO and NC switches. Emergency switch. Indicators. Wire connector. Cable lugs according to cable size. Cable gland according to cable size. Wires and cables. This video is a little different from other videos as it shows the use of 2 float switches and 2 water tanks. Why 2 float switches are needed? Here we transfer water from one water tank to another water tank, for example. We have a water tank ground floor in our house and we will take water from the water tank to the roof tank. But if we install a float switch only on the rooftop, then many times may be no water in the tank which is on the ground floor of our house. If there is no water in the roof tank, then the water pump will start automatically and our motor will be damaged. For this, we will use 2 float switches. One will do low-level indication and the other will do high-level indication. Now we'll do panel wearing. First we will know the terminal connection of each component. MCB or MCCB, 400 volt, 3-pole circuit breaker. 3-phase line 1, line 2, line 3, input. 3-phase line 1, line 2, line 3, output. Magnetic contactor. 3-phase line 1, line 2, line 3, output. 3-phase line 1, line 2, line 3, input. A1 and A2 coil terminal. NO terminal. NC terminal. Thermal overload relay. 3-phase line 1, line 2, line 3, input. 3-phase line 1, line 2, line 3, output. NO terminal. NC terminal. Indicators. MCB 240 volt single pole circuit breaker. Emergency switch. On indicator. Off indicator. Trip indicator. NO and NC switches. Auto manual selector switch. Common. Manual mode. Auto mode. 3-phase water pump motor. Water tank and float switch for ground floor. Water tank and float switch for rooftop. Wire connector. Connect 3-phase main cable to MCB or MCCB input terminal. Connect MCB or MCCB output terminal to thermal overload relay input terminal. Connect power indicator same as color. Connect magnetic contactor output terminal to overload relay input terminal. Connect overload relay output terminal to motor terminal. Connect 3-phase breaker output terminal to control breaker input terminal. Connect control breaker output terminal to overload relay NC terminal 96. Connect overload relay NC terminal 95 to emergency switch input. Connect emergency switch output to selector switch common terminal. Connect selector switch manual terminal to NC switch one side. Connect NC switch other side to no switch one side. Connect NO switch other side to magnetic contactor coil terminal A1. Connect magnetic contactor coil terminal A1 to magnetic contactor NO terminal one side. Connect magnetic contactor NO terminal other side to NO and NC switch connection point. Connect selector switch auto terminal to ground floor float switch Brune wire. Connect ground floor float switch black wire to roof top float switch blue wire. Connect roof top float switch black wire to NO switch or contactor A1 terminal. Indicator connection. Last neutral connection. More info and all product links shown in this video will be given in the description box. Please support us by giving your opinion in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.